Hey guys, welcome back. Nathan here, and it's time to talk about the Ethereum opportunity and also a quick guide on how to buy Ethereum safely and securely. Ethereum is the second biggest crypto asset in the world right now, second only to Bitcoin. However, is Ethereum a good investment opportunity? In this video, we're going to be looking at why invest in Ethereum. I'm going to be showing my top 3 reasons why I think Ethereum has huge potential. We'll also be looking at how much Ethereum to buy, where do we buy Ethereum from that is safe and secure, and then also where do we keep our Ethereum once we've made our purchase. My goal in this video is to help make investing in Ethereum simple and easy for you. If you like anything in this video, be sure to click that like button as that would be much appreciated. Okay, sit back and relax. Here is how you invest in Ethereum. So this is Ethereum made simple. As mentioned, we're going to be covering why buy Ethereum, how much Ethereum to buy, where do we buy Ethereum from, and then also where do we store it once we've got it. Quick disclaimer.
This video is for education purposes only. You should seek investment advice from a registered professional before making any investment decision. This video is not responsible for any investment actions taken by its viewers.
So here are the top 3 reasons why I think Ethereum's got big opportunity. Number 1, its 2020 performance so far. So let me just draw up a chart, and on the left hand side we've got the percentage increase for the year, and we're going to be looking at the S&P 500 representing American stocks. We're going to be looking at bonds, gold, and also Ethereum. So starting with stocks. And yeah, that's it. That's the little blue slither there. So obviously stocks crashed down 15% and it's since recovered, but it's pretty much flat. Bonds, I was looking at a bond index of treasuries and it's actually done pretty well. It's up close to 8%, so that's pretty good. Gold has had one of its best years for a long time. It's now close to setting all-time highs and it's up almost 30%. However, check this out, guys. Ethereum. Oh yeah, Ethereum has over doubled and it's pushing 115% growth this year. So as you can see, it smashes everything else out of the water when it comes to performance. Number 2, the network of choice. So we're heading on over to a website called CoinMarketCap, which shows all the cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, by the size. And as you can see, there's now 5,784 different cryptocurrencies. Obviously, we know Bitcoin is still number 1 by far. Ethereum sits in position number 2. And you may have seen this website before, but I'm just going to point out a couple of things. So you notice that Ethereum is number 2, but keep an eye on this. Tether, which is number 3, almost 10 billion. Also keep an eye on Crypto 20 at number 10. Chainlink at number 11. We've got Unis at number 17. USD coin at number 18. And I'm pointing these out for this reason. So what I'm going to do now is sort this by the top 100 tokens. And I'm going to show you something that you've probably never seen before. So these are now ranked by the tokens. And you can see all tokens need to run on a network, need to run on a platform. And notice that all these tokens are choosing to use Ethereum, 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 Ethereum. So remember Tether, the 3rd biggest coin, actually is powered by Ethereum. Crypto 20 is powered by Ethereum. Chainlink, Unis, USD, they're all powered by Ethereum. And of the top 100 coins, look how many use Ethereum. So this is real insider knowledge, guys. This is something that not many people know about. So Ethereum basically is the network of choice. And number 3, Ethereum 2.0 is just around the corner. So today, Ethereum has a problem. It can only process 15 TPS, which is transactions per second, which isn't great. So to give you some perspective, Visa and MasterCard can process 24,000 transactions per second. So it's currently blowing Ethereum out of the water. So there's a big upgrade happening to Ethereum over the next 1 to 2 years. They're essentially moving away from proof of work protocol and they're moving to a proof of stake protocol. Now, I don't have time to go into the ins and outs of what these exactly mean. I do have a video covering this, which I'll link in the description below. But for now, just know on the current proof of work platform, it can process 15 transactions per second. And when Ethereum 2.0 comes with proof of stake, they're going to be able to process up to 100,000 transactions per second. So it's going to be able to blow Visa and MasterCard out of the water. And these 3 reasons are why I think Ethereum has got huge potential. So how much do we buy? Well, this comes down to asset allocation. And as an investor, you always want to be working on your own portfolio. And your portfolio may contain one of the following, which would be stocks, bonds, property, cash, gold, commodities, and now cryptocurrency. So you need to decide as an investor, how much money are you going to put into crypto? So it's going to depend on how old you are. If you're 20, you're probably going to invest differently to whether you are 60. It's going to depend on the amount you have. So if you've got a small amount of money versus a large amount of money, and also your personal risk tolerance. So as a quick benchmark, if you've got a large amount of money, or you're just a person that doesn't want to take risk, then approximately 2% of your available investment income would be a good amount for you. If you have a low amount of money, so if you only have $100, then putting 50% into Ethereum or crypto might be a good thing to do. Or if you've got more money, then this would be deemed very high risk but high return. So you need to decide, where do you currently sit? So where do we buy our Ethereum? Well, you just need somewhere that's super easy to use, somewhere that's safe, and somewhere that's secure. Which is why if you are a beginner, I always recommend people go to Coinbase. Coinbase is one of the largest exchanges in the world. It's got over 35 million customers. It's supported in over 100 countries. And they make it super simple for people to buy. The process normally involves registering with the company, and I do have a link in the description where you can get some free Bitcoin. You'll then have to verify your identity, which is normally taking a copy of your passport or driving license and sending it to them. You'll then link up your bank and your bank card, and then you can make your purchase. And for the more advanced people, Coinbase also has Coinbase Pro, which is their exchange. So there is a learning curve to this, but if you take the time to learn exchanges, the big benefit is that you'll pay a low transaction fee. So with regular Coinbase, you might pay a couple of % to make a purchase. With Coinbase Pro, your transaction fee is about 0.5%. However, there is a learning curve to exchanges. So you now own Ethereum, congratulations. So where do we keep it? Well, I'd say there's probably 2 main choices. You can actually keep your Ethereum on the exchange itself, or you can go the hard way route, which is like a little external hard drive that plugs into your computer, and then you can leave your crypto assets on the hard drive. There's pros and cons to each. The exchange is obviously the super simple, super easy, because there's actually nothing to do. You make your purchase and you just leave it there. However, the downside is that Coinbase is a third party, so you do have third party risk. Exchanges have been broken into before and exchanges have gone bust, so there is some risk there. And with the hardware wallet, it's arguably the safest place to keep your crypto. However, it doesn't mean it's 100% bulletproof. You can still lose it or you can still get it stolen. So you need to decide which one's right for you. Okay, so there you go, guys. You now know the 3 reasons why Ethereum could be a great investment opportunity. It has crushed the performance of 2020 so far. It's the platform of choice by many of the crypto providers. And also Ethereum 2.0 is coming very, very shortly. You also know how much of it to buy, which is to do with asset allocation. And that has all to do with how old you are, how much money you actually want to invest, and also your personal risk tolerance. You also know where to buy Ethereum that is safe and secure. And you also know the couple of options of crypto wallets, whether you'd prefer to keep it on the exchange itself or whether you'd go by the hardware route and keep it at home. So that is quite a lot of information for one 10-minute video, so congratulations. Please check the description below this video because all the links, all the resources mentioned in the video, I've put them below there. There's a link where you can sign up with Coinbase through that link and you'll get some free Bitcoin. There's a link on where to get the hard wallet from, Trezor, if that's the route that you'd like to go down. There's also a link on how to set up a hardware wallet, just so it's super easy and simple for first-time users. So that should be everything you need to get started in investing in Ethereum. If you found anything useful in this video, be sure to click that like button as it really helps out the channel. So that would be much appreciated. If you haven't already subscribed, then be sure to click the subscribe button and join us. And finally, tell me, what do you think about Ethereum? Do you think it's a good investment opportunity? Have you already bought Ethereum? What has your experience been? Post that below in the comments and I'll see you in the next video. All right, cheers guys. Bye for now.